Hello, and thanks for watching. It's a short video today. We happen to be working at this mansion. It's huge, large grounds called Historic Gaiazzi Villa. It was built back in 1910. If you go to the website, you can see that by Segundo Gaiazzi, an Italian who owned the world's largest winery at the time. He purchased this and just built this huge mansion. Lots of art. Him and his wife traveled, brought back art from their travels. It was later purchased by a famed director in 1937 who added more to it, more art that he picked up along the way. Today, it's one of those like little peace meditation centers. You can do tours. We were allowed to go some places. We weren't allowed to go through the entire place while we were there, but I did take a brief walk around, inside and out, that I'll share with you. This is the front. It's just beautiful home, beautiful architecture. And this is the back now, the back, part of the back, because the large grounds in the backyard there. I had another video of the meditation area where the fountains and some walking areas and seating areas. I don't know what happened to that. I should have checked before I left. I was kind of bummed that I don't, it's like the video disappeared or something. I don't know. Anyways, so I'm just taking a walk around, and you can see back there is where it goes down into this little area where the fountains and little seating areas are.
Right.
Huge garden, different kinds of plants. Very beautiful area. Now I'm up on the roof, and you can see this 360-degree unobstructed view of Los Angeles. Beautiful day. Couldn't have been a more perfect day for this video. It's just clear skies. Look at that. Just amazing. Downtown Los Angeles there. Beautiful views. If you go to the website, you can see the hours they have for doing their tours. I think it'd be well worth it. It's just like a hidden gem, these little places that we go to work. Sometimes they find some of these you never even heard of before. At least I never heard of them. Anyways, let's see here in a second. See, there's the access to the roof there. Beautiful view. Look at that. And now we're going through this access. Look at that. It's a little doorway that they have. The stairs are kind of steep right here. But like I said, we were allowed to go through some of the rooms, not everywhere. So I'll share with you where I did go. Some of the rooms are being used as offices for this business now. Don't really say. This is like a half circle, probably a day room or sunroom. You enjoy the views down below, the backgrounds, the gardens. Beautiful home. Well, now it's a business. It's a considered historical monument. Went down the circle stairs to the main entry area. Beautiful home. Beautiful home. If you want a fun tour, you should go check it out in LA. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.